Ladies and gentlemen, prepare to enjoy your way into the lap of luxury in this beautiful home, where elegance and hilarity go hand in hand. Perched majestically at the zenith of Clarendon Heights, this architectural marvel isn't just a home. It's the crown jewel of San Francisco's skyline. Crafted by the illustrious John Maniscalco architecture firm in 2018 and brought to life by the maestros at Cook Construction, with gardens conjured by the green-thumbed geniuses at Terra Firma Landscapes Design, this residence redefines grandeur. Picture this: 6 bedrooms, 6 full baths, and 2 half baths. Because why have 1 half bath when you can have 2? Sprawled over 4 levels and a generous 5,721 square foot lot, this palace in the clouds boasts an open floor plan so spacious you might need a map to navigate. And those floor-to-ceiling windows? They're not just windows. They're your personal IMAX theater showcasing panoramic views from bridge to bridge and everything in between. Upstairs, you'll find 4 ensuite bedrooms, perfect for when your guests refuse to leave after experiencing the sheer luxury. Each bedroom offers views that are guaranteed to make you feel like you've conquered the world. Step out onto multiple panoramic terraces that practically beg you to sip your morning espresso while gazing out over the city. Feeling fancy? The guest suite comes with its own private entrance, ideal for when you need to hide from visiting relatives. And let's talk relaxation. A steam room to melt your stress away, and a cedar sauna because you deserve nothing but the best. Need space for epic parties? This home has 2 colossal, entertaining rooms with direct access to a mature garden where you can enjoy a fire pit perfect for roasting marshmallows or having deep philosophical conversations under the stars. And for those days when you need to soak in luxury, there's an outdoor spa that promises to wash away all your worries. So why dream about living the high life when you can make it a reality with a home that's enjoyable and fabulous? This is not just a house, it's a lifestyle, a statement, and your ticket to living large and laughing often. Move in and let the good times and happiness roll.